Here we go.
Whoa.
Coming up on the lake with them big waves, huh? There's a railroad bridge. Think we can get it to echo in here?
Yeah.
Echo! Woohoo! Go ahead, come on, go! Woo!
Hey.
Hear the echo?
No.
Come on, yell it!
Woo!
You don't hear the echo?
I don't hear the echo.
Oh, let's see what we got going here. We got some wind. No trespassing. They're a bunch of dicks. I remember when this used to be a bar and stuff. I used to bring the boat in here. The dock that used to be right there.
Oh, I did not know that. I thought that's lost.
There, we gotta stay right here. It says no trespassing. I don't want to get us all in trouble. Good old Lake Erie, she's a-rolling. Yeah. This used to be a bar and grill right over here. Grandpa used to come here all the time in his boat. Huh? Oh, it used to be a big restaurant and stuff. I can't believe we got no trespassing signs on here. What the fuck? Got some good rollers out there today, though. Go get Uncle Darren's jet ski. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff you want jet ski in. Hey, they're way out there, the white caps.
I think I see a dinosaur boat.
Maybe we should go over to the other beach. We can get closer. I don't want to get all jammed up for being down here. Cops are assholes in this town. Awesome, huh?
Yeah.
We got some rollers. Oh, nice one. It's actually a good spot to film from because it's not too windy here. Got the wall blocking us. Woo, here we go. Oh yeah. There's a lot of good ones out there. I can't get them all at once.